Hello everyone, I'm Edon Robilema Jr. from PS Agribon B. So, my speech objective for this presentation on communication is to educate my audience on the essential skills required for effective communication in the workplace. So, good morning everyone, and welcome to my presentation on communication. In today's fast-paced business environment, effective communication is crucial for success. It helps to prevent misunderstanding, resolve conflicts, and build a strong relationship with colleagues and clients. So, what are essential skills required for effective communication? Firstly, active listening is critical. This involves paying attention to the speaker, asking clarifying questions, and responding truthfully. Secondly, clear and concise language is a vital. Avoid using jargon or technical terms that may confuse your audience. Thirdly, nonverbal cues such as body language and facial expression can convey just as much information as spoken words. Make sure your nonverbal cues are consistent with your message. So, in conclusion, effective communication is a vital skill that can make or break your success in the workplace. By practicing active listening, using clear and concise language, and being aware of nonverbal cues, you can become a more effective communicator and achieve your goals. That's all, and thank you for your watching.